Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Ray. I'm a blind teacher sharing my experiences and tips in navigating life without sight. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an extraordinary feature in NVDA that could potentially make huge difference in to people who are blind. The PC keyboard braille input in NVDA. First off, NVDA or non-visual desktop access is a free screen reader that is provided by nvaccess.org that can be downloaded for free that could be used for visually impaired individuals for navigating their Windows computer for that matter specifically. Okay. And then another feature is the PC keyboard braille input, okay, which you can download on the um, NVDA add-on store and then install it on your add-ons. Okay, once you're set, all you have to do is to follow my instruction and follow this video till the end, and you'll be able to experience how we can benefit from using this type of encoding or typing using your normal keyboard as a braille input. All right, so let's begin by setting up your braille by pressing NVDA plus N.
N.
Okay.
A.
NVDA plus
N.
in.
NVDA menu.
Okay, and then preference for letter P
Settings. S.
and S,
NVDA settings. General. Normal configuration. Dialog.
and then
Categories.
letter
List.
B.
B. Braille 3 of 19.
Okay, Braille. Okay, here we go. So you just tab.
Braille property page. Braille display grouping. Edit. Change. Button Alt plus H.
No, let's not change that.
Output table. Combo box unified English Braille code grade 2 collapsed Alt plus O.
Okay, I'll be using grade 2 Braille. So it's up to you what Braille input you're going to use or output. For me, I'm going to use grade 2 Braille.
Input table. Combo box unified English Braille code grade 2 collapsed Alt plus I.
Okay, you heard it.
Expand to computer Braille for the word at the cursor checkbox checked Alt plus X.
Okay, and just leave it there until I hear okay.
Show cursor. Blink cursor checkbox. Cursor blink rate. Cursor shape for focus. Cursor shape for show messages combo box. Message timeout. S. Tether Braille. Move system carrot. Read by paragraph. Avoid splitting word. Focus context. Interrupt speech while. Show selection. OK button.
Then okay, enter. The
Document
next
1.
the next thing that we have to set up is the PC keyboard braille input. So again, we will repeat the process, but instead of just braille, we will proceed to letter P for PC keyboard braille input. Okay, NVDA plus N,
NVDA menu.
and then letter P for preferences,
Settings. S.
and then S for settings,
NVDA settings. General.
and then
Normal configuration.
letter
Dialog.
P.
P. PC keyboard braille input 16 of 19.
Okay, and then let's stop there.
PC keyboard braille input property page. Type
Okay,
using one hand checkbox not checked Alt plus T.
okay, just leave it blank, and then
Speed dot
let's
when typing with.
proceed.
Timeout to send dots when characters to confirm when writing with one hand. Characters to cancel when writing with one hand. Characters for dot one when writing with one hand. Edit Alt plus D selected F.
Okay, that's for that one. We are now right in this menu. We are going to set up the 8 dots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 dots. Okay, so for that one, we will set it for F.
F. Selection.
And then
Characters for dot 2 when writing with one hand.
that
Edit
2
selected
is
D.
D,
Selection.
and
Characters for dot 3
then
when writing with one hand.
S
Edit
for
selected S.
3
S. Selection.
Okay.
Characters for dot 4 when writing with one hand. Edit selected
is
J. J. Selection.
Okay.
Characters for dot 5 when writing with one hand.
Is
Edit selected
K.
K. K. Selection removed. Characters for
And
dot 6
then
when writing
L.
with one L. Selection removed.
And then
Characters for dot 7 when writing with one hand. Edit
It's
selected A.
A.
Selection. Characters for dot 8 when writing with one
Apple.
hand. Edit selected. Semi.
Semicolon.
Selection removed.
Okay.
Characters to be ignored when typing in Braille. Edit Alt plus I blank. Restore
Okay.
defaults button Alt plus R. OK button.
And then enter. Okay.
Document 1. Word.
Okay, we're done. So we have already finished with the setting up of your Braille input and output, and then we also had finished the setting up of your PC keyboard Braille input with the dots that we specified earlier for the fingers that we have to use. Okay, for your fingers, you need to use your index, middle finger, ring finger, and your pinky finger on your left for FD SA, and then for your right, you're going to use J key L semicolon for your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger, respectively, to your right. Okay, that is, of course, using the home keys, which are F and J. So you might wonder why I use that or those keys, because those are home keys. The J and the F and the J are the home keys. So it's easy for visually impaired individuals to find those buttons because it has bumps on it. All right. Now, since I'm already on my Word document, okay, let me try. Okay, I think.
Braille input from PC keyboard enabled. Braille
Okay.
input from PC keyboard disabled. Selected. Blank.
Okay, let's
Blank.
make sure
Blank.
that our
Blank.
Word document is, I have not cleared it before I started this video. I'm so sorry. All right, so let's begin. Now, I'm very sure that there's no more word or any character in this document that I've already prepared before this video. So if I want now, this is the most exciting part. You listen very carefully. This is quite challenging for people who are not familiar with your keyboard, but um, for people who are familiar with your keyboard already, this is very easy. So to enable and disable or to toggle on and off your braille input is very easy. Simply follow my step. NVDA key plus the 0, which is above letter P.
Braille input from PC keyboard enabled.
Okay, once it's enabled, you can already use it. Use your normal keyboard as brailler. Okay, you can already use, for example, that's 1, which is F as letter A, and then that's 1, 2, okay,
B.
as letter B. But when I press space bar,
U. T. But. Space.
it's but, because I am using grade 2 braille. Like for example, another example is when I use another letter is C, which is that's 1 and 4. Okay, that's J, F and J. Okay,
C.
simultaneously, or press it together, and then it says C, and then when I press spacebar,
N. Can. Space.
it says can. Okay,
New
let's
notification from
delete.
Windows Security.
Okay, let's delete them by pressing 7. Okay, uh, okay, to delete, it's your backspace. You
Blank.
can use the normal backspace for that matter, or you may use another keyboard, the normal keyboard, which is your braille keyboard, which is your dot 7, which is letter A. Now, let's arrow up.
Blank.
It says blank. Okay. Now, how about if let us try. Let's try to type my name. Okay. Of course, the capital letter should be first, because a name of a person should be capitalized first. So that's 6.
Dot 6.
And then R.
R. E. Y. R. E. Y. Ray. Space.
Okay, that's my name. And then
Dot 6.
my last name.
D. U. H. A. Y. L. U. N. G. S. O. D. Duhalongsod. Space.
Okay, it says Duhay Longsword already. Okay, so I'm not pressing the letters, the normal letters of the keyboard. I'm just using the braille input. Now I'm going to delete that again. Okay, no, no, oh no, oh no. I'm going to use the enter key. What's the enter key? Okay, that 8. That 8 will be your enter key. Okay, I will press enter 8. It doesn't say anything, but I already pressed the tick, which is the dot 8 again, or semicolon rather, enter. And then I'm going to type the keyboard typing tutorial master, or what do you call that? The sentence that has all the letters on the alphabet. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the river bank. So I'm going to type that using the braille, grade 2 braille. Okay.
THE. Q.
Okay, wait.
Dot 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay.
H. E. The. Space.
Okay.
Q. U. I. C. K. U. I. B.
Then
R. O. W. N. B. R. F. O. F. F. O. F. J. U. M. P. S. J. U. M. O. V. E. R. O. V. E. T. T. L. A. Z Y L A Z Y lazy space D O G D N E A R N T R I V E R
Okay. And
A N dot R I V
let's
E R
try
B
if I
blank
let's try it. Ara.
Radio alongside
Okay, that's my name.
blank. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the spelling error riverbed.
All right. So there's a wrong spelling here. So let's try to find where's the wrong spelling.
Dot.
Okay.
Spelling error out of spelling error
The
H E space spelling error R I
okay.
V I
R.
V E R B A N out of spelling error dot
Uh-huh.
spelling error N out of spelling error dot
It's lacking letter K.
dot 5.
Okay. Now let's
The
try
quick brown
again.
blank. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the spelling error riverbed.
Mm-hmm.
Spelling error N
Mm-hmm.
A B
D
A
A
N
N.
out of spelling error dot space blank
Okay, let's delete.
space N
Okay.
A B R
Okay, letter R, which is R
R
B
B A
A N
N K
K period.
dot R
Let's fix that.
blank. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the riverbank.
Okay, it's fixed now. Okay, so that's it. So to disable this, it's very simple again. You have to just press NVDA key plus 0.
Braille input from PC keyboard disabled.
And now I can use the Control A
Radio alongside the quick
to
brown fox
delete
jumps over the lazy
everything,
space
and
space
then
unselected.
I can now type normally on my keyboard. So if you're following this video and then you try what I've been trying also on my keyboard, you might find it at first is challenging for especially for those people who are not familiar with Braille and who are still practicing Braille. And for those who are not using Braille input on your cell phone, I am using Braille input in my iOS device, so I am already familiar with Brailling with the use of those finger combinations, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 combinations. So if you're not used to Brailling, you have to practice because constant practice can make your Braille typing a little bit efficient in the future because there's no uh, shortcut to being a brailer. Okay, you need to have a constant practice before you can really get through an efficient way and accuracy in typing. If you will be able, okay, these are the benefits of using Braille. If you are able to master Braille input, you will be more efficient and accurate in typing, less mistakes. And the struggle is that, of course, you just have to familiarize or to memorize all the uh, number combinations of Braille. Okay, if you're new to Braille, I advise you go back to some of the videos that I already posted about the basic Braille keyboards or the numbers of Braille combinations to form letters, punctuations, and numbers. And then go ahead, try to experiment on how Braille works in keyboard. Okay? So, if you have any question regarding this video and if you need help, just comment below. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Click the notification bell so that you will be able to know more about this video in the future. And of course, don't forget for you to be able to be a more well versed in anything like navigating the world without sight, don't forget that you need to discover the world around you because it's so vast and there's a lot of things to discover. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.